The 2025 KTM 250 EXC 6 Days continues as the ultimate enduro streamer. Being the poster child for KTM's unrelenting commitment to two-stroke development, it has refined its winning recipe with learnings directly from the highest echelons of racing and put them into a rider-centric package. In short, it's ready to race. Graphics. The KTM 6 Days range celebrates the latest installment of the ISDE in Spain with its most striking look to date. Boasting multiple shades of orange and sharp graphics, all that's left to say is, vamos. Ergonomics. The KTM EXC range features a rider-focused body position triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. With the plastics working to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, a flat seat profile with a high-grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control, and a polyamide-reinforced aluminum subframe providing unmatched rider feel and feedback, your only concern is navigating the terrain ahead of you. The first KTM bearing the 6 Days name tore onto the scene way back in 1996. Almost 30 years later, we're still keeping that legacy alive. All KTM 6 Days models receive the full 6 Days treatment, from machined orange anodized triple clamps, right down to a solid rear brake disc. Each and every element on a 6 Days model is specifically chosen for the job at hand, stamped with a coveted 6 Days logo, and let loose to dominate the field.
2025 KTM EXC 6 Days range highlights are: orange glossy frame protection set 6 Days specific seat map select switch traction control quick shifter 6 DAYS branded parts orange anodized CNC machined triple clamps orange front axle puller semi-floating front brake disc solid rear brake safety wire supersprox stealth rear sprocket skid plate radiator fan Metzeler 6 Days extreme tires.